Hi, welcome back to Kpcutie Channel. This is her sister doing her voiceover. I know, it's a new one. She kind of just asked me to do this. I don't even know what the video is really about, but you guys are gonna watch it while I'm watching it, so we're just gonna learn together. But for right now, enjoy the intro and I will be back when the video starts. Okay, let's go ahead and start off. We have some peppermint infused oil. We have like about 8 lip balms, 2 red, 2 blue, and a couple normal. Then we have some bowls. Those are pretty small bowls. I like them. They're really cool. I like the clear. Some close up on the lip balm. Yeah, we got some red, we got some blue. That normal one. Okay, I already seen the normal one. It kind of looks like pinkish, which is a really cool color. It's just really cool. Oh, y'all seen that transition? Oh, we see you. Okay. Oh, so it is different lip balm. I was wondering that. Okay, so we're just gonna open up the lip balm. Looks like, screw it all out. Make sure all of it's poking out. Make sure you can try to get it all. Then we're gonna take a butter knife or one. No, that's not a butter knife. That's what they use for the cakes. We're gonna put it in the bowl and we're gonna try to make sure we get all of it out because we're gonna use all of this lip balm. We're just gonna scrape it out of the tin that it comes in. We're gonna do it to all of them. I'm pretty sure we're gonna separate them, but I'm not sure.
Don't slip on the trail. Tempo. Can you keep up with my tempo? Yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blow it up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco doesn't like free throws. I do not miss no.
Okay, I just wanted to pop in real quick. I mean, I know you guys are vibing right now because I love the music too. You know, don't step on the drip because drip, you know. But anyways, I want to ask y'all a question. Is there flat? Because is it flat or round? Because I mean, I made my decision a while ago, but I kind of forgot what that decision was of what the Earth was. But I kind of have a feeling it's flat. I'm just saying. Don't get mad. I have a feeling it's probably flat, but it may be round as well. I don't know. Okay, I just want to know what you guys' opinion on it is, because I used to have this debate all the time with myself, even with like my siblings, like KP, my older brother, my little brother. Well, I mean, my little brother doesn't really care, but I do. So, what's your opinion on it? Because I feel like the Earth, it's whatever you want to be. You know, it's whatever a particular person wants it to be. Just kidding, not particular. But I mean, I feel like it's flat. Honestly, I feel like it's flat. I mean, y'all could probably have like a different opinion on it, but I feel like it's flat. And don't come at me for this, okay? Because like, this is just my honest opinion, so y'all can't really like get mad at me for this, okay? It's up to y'all. Ooh, I forgot we was doing a video. Okay, so it looks like she added the blue, what is it called? Lip balm into the bowl. I think she's adding both of them, and yep, there you go. Add it all. There you go. There you go. Yep. Make sure you guys get it all out, because if you guys are following this recipe, which I hope you are, because if you're not, you're just rude. She's putting it all in there, and then she did the same thing for, no, she hasn't done the same thing for the red one just yet, but we will be getting to that. She did the same thing for the other ones, the normal lip balm. She added those into a bowl. She set them aside for a second, and I'm pretty sure coming up, she will be adding up the peppermint essential oil, or no, infused oil, not essential oil, okay? Get it right. God, have some class. I'm kidding. She's gonna be adding just like a little bit of it. I'm pretty sure like a teaspoon or something like that. Like one of the like the measuring things, because I'm pretty sure we all use just like regular spoons. That's just me. That's just me. It doesn't have to be y'all. It's just me. I don't know what she's doing right now. Okay. Oh, she moving us. Oh, y'all okay? Oh, she put it in the thing, and oh, she's melting it. Okay, see, like at the time, oh, she's putting water in it. Okay, you guys gotta put it in the pot, and then you gotta put water in it, and then you gotta melt it. Oh, she put it all over the counter. This is why you guys gotta help her with her videos, because she can't. Pour a little bit more water in there. Please try to get it inside the pot, not on the freaking counter. We're gonna turn it down to 10 instead of like 1,000 like she usually had it. Ooh, she did a little snap. Okay, see the transition. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're gonna keep these. I don't know what she's saying. She's moving her hand like she's crazy or something. Okay, I'm assuming we're gonna melt them. Can you please stop blowing on the camera? Okay, yeah, you can clean it off and stop blowing on it. We're gonna melt these and make sure they're all good. I'm pretty sure at this time she already turned the thing off. So now she's just stirring it. Okay, just make sure you keep stirring it, and she has these like little containers. I use these containers for like my wires and stuff, but I'm pretty sure she's using these to put the lip balm in. So we're just gonna put them all out on a paper towel, take the lids off so you can actually pour the lip balm inside of it. See, we're gonna pour right in. There we go. Ooh, I like that container with it. It looks really nice. Make sure you guys try to get it all. She's holding the camera out this time, so she couldn't like, scrape it out. She has this one. Looks like a little bit of it dried up, but I'm pretty sure she put it back on the stove. So if it dries up, just put it back on the stove and turn the water. Make sure that you have water in it and you turn it on. Okay, now she's going to be doing the red one. See, I thought the other one was the red one, but it's not. It's actually like a baby pink, I guess. I don't really know my colors like that. I mean, I know the names, just yeah, I get them a little bit confused sometimes. She's going to be doing both of the red ones and not leaving any scraps behind. Okay, don't leave any scraps for anybody. Okay, she's gonna take all this out and put it into the bowl, and I'm pretty sure she's gonna put this into the pot. See, yep, make sure you get all of it out, guys, all of it, because you're gonna be using all of this. Hopefully you ain't got chappy lips. Ooh, she put white with it? Ooh, okay. We see you. Getting fancy with this. Okay. Looks like she let them dry into different containers. I really like the containers. They're really like small, cute. You could just pick it up, put it in your purse, and just go, and you can use it anytime you need, any time of the day. I really like the setup that she has. Like, it's spread all over the paper towel. I really like that. She has the top open, which so you guys can see inside, because honestly, okay, I'm gonna be honest, I tried one of these, and the blue one, because my favorite color is blue, so I tried the blue one, and it was actually pretty nice. It lasted a while. Like, it didn't come off until, like, I accidentally wiped it off because I was about to eat, so, you know me. Okay, I'm gonna let her do some modeling for you guys real quick. Have fun.
Don't step on the trail. Tempo. You keep up with my tempo.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.